Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of open source software to explore the best open source alternatives to Google Drive. Whether you're concerned about privacy, tired of subscription fees, or just love supporting open source projects, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the alternatives, let's talk about why you might want to switch to an open source cloud storage solution. Google Drive is great, but it comes with some downsides. First of all, privacy concerns. Your data is stored on Google's servers and they have access to it. Secondly, the cost. Free storage is limited and prices can add up if you need more space. Thirdly, vendor lock-in. You're tied to Google's ecosystem. Open source alternatives give you more control over your data, often at a lower cost or even for free. Plus, you can self-host many of these solutions, meaning your files stay on your own server. Sounds good, right? Let's check out the top options. First up, NextCloud. If you're looking for a full-fledged Google Drive replacement, NextCloud is the best option. It is widely regarded as the best open-source alternative to Google Drive due to its flexibility, privacy, and extensive feature set. Unlike Google Drive, which stores data on Google's servers, NextCloud allows you to self-host your files on your own server or a trusted provider. This means you have full control over your data. Your files aren't subject to third-party scanning or monetization. You can implement your own security measures such as encryption and access controls. Plus, NextCloud isn't just for file storage, it also offers powerful collaboration tools. NextCloud provides desktop clients for Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as mobile apps for iOS and Android. This ensures that you can access your files and collaborate from any device. With NextCloud, once you've set up your server, there are no ongoing subscription fees. You only pay for the hardware and hosting, which can be more cost-effective in the long run, especially for organizations. You can check out the video in the description on how to install NextCloud on your own server. Next on our list is OwnCloud. OwnCloud is considered one of the best open-source alternatives to Google Drive because it provides users with full control over their data, robust privacy and security features, and extensive customization options. Unlike Google Drive, which stores your data on Google's servers, OwnCloud allows you to self-host your files on your own server, ensuring complete control over your data. This is essential for individuals and businesses concerned about data sovereignty and privacy regulations like GDPR. And since you host the server, you can customize it to meet your specific needs, whether that's adjusting storage limits, user permissions, or integrating with other tools. OwnCloud offers clients for various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. This ensures that you can access your files from virtually any device. It also provides a web interface, making it easy to access your files from any browser without needing to install additional software. OwnCloud allows you to synchronize files across multiple devices, similar to Google Drive. This ensures that you always have the latest version of your files, no matter where you access them from. Plus, you can easily share files or folders with others, either via a link or by granting specific user permissions. This is useful for collaboration and sharing large files that might be too big for email. Check out the video in the description on how to install OwnCloud on your own server. Next on our list is Seafile. Seafile is an open-source platform designed for storing, managing, and sharing files securely. It ensures your data is synchronized across multiple devices while maintaining robust security. Seafile offers various plans, including a free community edition, which allows you to deploy the platform on your own server at no cost. A standout feature of Seafile is its high-speed file syncing capability. It can sync thousands of files in just a minute, all while using minimal hardware resources. In contrast, Google Drive's syncing process tends to be slower, particularly when dealing with large numbers of files. Another notable feature is Seafile's integrated collaborative document editor, which functions similarly to Google Docs. This tool allows users to create, edit, and publish documents directly within the Seafile platform, enhancing productivity and collaboration. Check the video in the description on how to install Seafile on your own server. You can also look at Syncthing. Unlike traditional cloud storage, Syncthing is a peer-to-peer file syncing tool. There's no central server. You sync files directly between your devices. So the features are decentralized and peer-to-peer automatic file versioning and no server required. So who is it for? It is ideal for privacy-focused users who want to sync files without third-party servers. Syncthing is designed with privacy in mind. All data transfers are encrypted using TLS transport layer security, ensuring that your files are secure during transit. Since there's no central server, your data never leaves your devices unless you explicitly share it. Syncthing allows you to self-host your synchronization setup, giving you complete control over your data and infrastructure. This is ideal for users who want to avoid relying on external services. Check out the video in the description on how to set up Syncthing. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. If you're a beginner, I'd recommend starting with NextCloud or OwnCloud. If you're more tech-savvy and want full control, Syncthing or Seafile might be the way to go. And that's it. Those are my top open-source alternatives to Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and open-source recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.